Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reinstall Google Chrome on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you might actually want to reinstall Google Chrome if you've been experiencing some problems, or you've installed an update or done something and Google Chrome's not working properly or it's slowed down. So this is something you can try. So the first thing you're going to need to do is actually uninstall your current version of Google Chrome. And in order to do this, what we're going to do is just come down to the search bar down here. And what we're going to do is type programs. And what's going to happen, it should bring up this application which says add or remove programs. So go ahead and give that a click. And this is just going to load up a list of all the installed apps and programs on your laptop or PC. And what you'll be able to do is scroll down the list, obviously find Google Chrome, and this is where you would come to uninstall your current version. So what you can do is either scroll down the list. You can see the list is just down here at the bottom. So if we go to the right and scroll down, you can do it that way. You can see Google Chrome is there. Or what you can do is just type in the search bar at the top and then go ahead and type Google Chrome. And you'll see that's going to automatically pull it from the list. What you then need to do is give that a click and then go and click onto Uninstall. And click that again. And it's going to come up with a permission, so you just need to hit the yes button. So it's just going to take a minute to load the install wizard. And it's going to come up with this message saying, are you sure you want to uninstall Google Chrome? So we just go ahead and click the blue uninstall button. If you want to delete your browsing data as well, you can do. All you need to do is tick this box here. And then you click uninstall. Once you've done that, what's going to happen? That's going to uninstall Google Chrome. And then to actually reinstall it, what you need to do is open up, obviously you won't have Google Chrome, so chances are if you're on a Windows 10 PC, you should have Microsoft Edge. But you can use any browser, so if you've got something like Firefox or Brave installed, you can use that as well. But once it's uninstalled, you would just open up an alternative internet browser. And then all we need to do is go ahead and type. So first we want to come to google.com. And then just click the agree button. And in here, you want to just type download Google Chrome. And then you want to click the first result at the very top. So this is going to take you to the download page for Google Chrome. And as you can see here, there's a blue button which says download Chrome. All you need to do is give that a click. And what's going to happen, it's going to start downloading the wizard. Now this should begin straight away. It should do it automatically. If for any reason it doesn't start, then what you can do is just click this little link here which says download Chrome manually. And you'll see that started downloading there. So once that's ready to go, all you need to do is click on this to where it says open file, click run. And then it's going to come up with another permission. You just need to go ahead and click yes. And you'll see what's going to happen now. It's actually going to download and install Google Chrome. So it's going to actually reinstall it onto your computer. This will be a brand new version of Google Chrome, so it should fix any problems you have been having. Obviously, if you want to fully delete Google Chrome, make sure when you uninstall your previous version that you tick the box to delete your browser data as well. But you can see it only takes a minute or two, and that's now loaded through, and it's loaded up my Google Chrome. Obviously, it looks similar to my old version of Google Chrome. It's got a lot of things saved because in this tutorial I didn't actually uninstall my version because I didn't need to. I have no reason to. But obviously, if you are experiencing problems, just follow the steps in this tutorial and that should hopefully fix any problems you have. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.